अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, वेलकम इन माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आई एम नौरीन अंसारी और आज का जो विषय है वो है महात्मा गांधी पर, द फादर ऑफ नेशन। तो आज हम इस ऐसे को समझने जा रहे हैं। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं और आपने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज गाइस सब्सक्राइब इट, और वीडियो अच्छी लगे काम आए तो प्लीज लाइक जरूर करिएगा। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। महात्मा गांधी ऑल्सो नोन एज Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi is a name that echoes through the annals of Indian history. He was born on October 2, 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. Gandhi is renowned as the father of the nation for his instrumental role in leading India to independence from British rule. His philosophy of nonviolence and his unwavering commitment to justice have left an indelible mark on the world. Gandhi's Gandhi's early life was marked by simplicity and moral values. He studied law in London and became a barrister. However, his heart was restless, yearning for something more profound than a successful career. It was during his time in South Africa that he faced racial discrimination which deeply affected him. This experience ignited his passion for fighting injustice and sowed the seeds of his philosophy of nonviolence. Returning to India, Gandhi became actively involved in the struggle for India's independence. He led various nonviolent movements and protests against British rule. One of his most significant campaigns was the Salt March in 1930. In the protest, he and his followers walked over 240 miles to the Arabian Sea to make salt in defiance of the British monopoly. The march gained international attention and became a symbol of India's resistance to colonial rule. Gandhi's philosophy of non-violence, known as Satyagraha, became the guiding principle of his life. He believed in resolving conflicts through peaceful means and emphasized the power of love and compassion. He preached non-violence as a way to awaken the conscience of oppressors and bring about social and political change. Gandhi's method inspired people around the world, and he became a prominent figure in the global struggle for justice and human rights. Gandhi's teaching extended beyond politics. He emphasized the importance of self-discipline, truth, and simplicity. He encouraged people to live a life of integrity, free from materialistic desires. He practiced what he preached, living a modest life and wearing homespun clothes to promote self-reliance. Gandhi's impact on India's freedom struggle was immense. His unwavering commitment to non-violence and his ability to mobilize people through peaceful means played a crucial role in dismantling the British Empire. He inspired millions of Indians to rise above their differences and work towards a united and independent nation. Sadly, Gandhi's life was cut short when he was assassinated on January 30, 1948 by a fanatic who disagreed with his principles of religious harmony. However, his legacy lives on. Gandhi's teachings continue to inspire individuals and movements advocating for justice, peace, and equality worldwide. In conclusion, Mahatma Gandhi was a visionary leader who dedicated his life to the principles of truth, nonviolence, and justice. His unwavering commitment to the cause of India's independence and his philosophy of nonviolence have left an indelible mark on the world. Gandhi's life serves as a shining example of how one individual can bring about transformative change through peaceful means. His legacy will forever inspire generations to come, reminding us of the power of love truth and compassion, creating a just and harmonious world. तो ये था हमारा ऐसे जो था महात्मा गांधी पर। आप चाहो इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हो, और अगर आप लोग कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम है तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में बता सकते हैं, और वीडियो को लाइक करना मत भूलिएगा। इंशाल्लाह मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। अल्लाह हाफिज।